Inventory and product management. On the Posfile platform, inventory and product management is an efficient and user-friendly experience, enabling administrators and authorized employees to maintain precise and optimized control. We begin with a look at the user interface, where each element has been designed with practicality and functionality in mind. In the product listing, we have various search options, making it easy to locate products by category, code, name, or quantity. The platform allows customization of the number of products to be displayed on screen, optimizing the user experience and search speed. With a simple click on the Alert button, users can quickly identify products that require replenishment, ensuring proactive inventory management. Please note that when selecting products and scrolling down, you can place an order with the supplier with just a few clicks for the selected products. The New Product button facilitates the quick and easy addition of new items to the inventory, keeping the database up to date. The ability to export data to Excel provides users with the flexibility to conduct detailed analysis or share information with other departments in the company. Category management allows for intuitive organization of inventory with options to add, activate, deactivate, or delete categories as needed for the business. Each product is presented with detailed information, including product name, link allowing you to view or modify the product, purchase price indicates the cost of acquiring each item as well as the total sum of all purchase prices. Minimum price displays the minimum value set for the sale of each product. Selling price reflects the selling price of each item along with the total sum of selling prices. Quantity indicates the available quantity of each product in inventory. Barcode, if applicable, displays the barcode associated with the product. Category informs about the classification assigned to the product. Options. Clicking on the Options button displays alternatives to edit or delete the product. Note: to view the total sum with respect to the purchase price and selling price columns, you must click on the respective column name. In summary, the Posfile platform offers a comprehensive and efficient solution for inventory management and control, allowing businesses to optimize their operations and focus on growth.